Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet Walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good. And you know I am Damazul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Monday 14 March 2022, now morning time. This Monday morning I visiting a new natural place in our region. Friends, you can see behind my back natural place. Friends, now I am sitting in this natural place. Friends, you can see behind my back natural place, green nature, really beautiful nature here. Friends, this Monday morning I visiting this place, natural place, and I saw here is some polluted garbage, plastic, etc. So now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in dustbin. Friends, you know I always try to save the natural place, green nature. I always try to collect polluted plastic and garbage from natural place, green nature. So today I try to cleaning this place. Friends, তো বন্ধুরা আজকে সোমবার সকালে আমি আমাদের অঞ্চলের নতুন একটি প্রাকৃতিক জায়গায় এসেছি। এখানে আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা প্লাস্টিক দেখতে পেয়েছি, প্রকৃতির মাঝে আটকে আছে। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, and a big bag in my hand. Now I try to cleaning this place. Let's go friend, cleaning mission start now. Friends, first I saw here plastic, old plastic. This old plastic stuck in green nature. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। old plastic ব্যাগে রাখলাম। I saw another big plastic here, big and old plastic. Friends, this plastic is really very bad for our natural place, green nature. Really dirty. Friends, I saw here old news cloth, mask. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। I saw another unused product here, dirty product, unused sandal, old sandal. কেউ ফেলে দিচ্ছে এখানে, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। I saw another plastic here. This plastic, unused and old plastic. This old plastic. Friends, you know I always try to clean natural place, collect polluted garbage and plastic from natural place. So today I try to cleaning this new natural place in our region. I saw another old plastic here, very old and dirty. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। very dirty plastic, unused plastic bag. I saw another plastic here, stuck in green nature soils. Big plastic, big and old, very old and big, really very bad polluted plastic. Another plastic here. Friends, I saw here another big polluted product, unused plastic, dirty, very dirty product, big plastic product. This এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। really big plastic product. and I saw another plastic stuck in soil. Big old plastic, mati takteছে, really very bad, dirty product. Really very bad polluted plastic here. I collected this polluted plastic. I saw another plastic here. Friends, beautiful green nature. I saw another plastic here. Stuck in green nature, old plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। I saw another plastic here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Old plastic. I saw another plastic. Here is stuck in soil. মাটিতে আটকে আছে। Another plastic here. Stuck in soil. মাটিতে আটকে আছে big plastic. বড় একটি প্লাস্টিক মাটিতে আটকে আছে এখানে। এটা সংগ্রহ করলাম। Friends, this big plastic stuck in soil. মাটিতে আটকে ছিল। Stuck was soil. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। I saw another plastic here. Unused plastic product. Unused plastic product. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করব। এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। Another unused product, plastic product. Friends, I saw another plastic here. This plastic, old plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। Another plastic is stuck in soils. মাটিতে আটকে এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। Friends, this is a very big bag. I collected many polluted garbage, polluted plastic from this natural place. My cleaning mission is finished now. Friends, this is a really very beautiful natural place. This Monday morning I try to cleaning this natural place, friends, and a bag, this garbage bag. Friends, now stop this bag. Friends, this garbage bag I collected many polluted plastic, unused paper, unused plastic, many polluted garbage. This is a big bag. Bag keeper ভরে এসেছে। Now stop this bag. Friends, stop this bag. Now this bag threw in dustbin. Let's go, friends. Friends, this our area's dustbin. This garbage bag threw in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friends. This was my nature cleaning mission in Monday morning.